Audio Intervisual Design, AID, started in the 80s at Record Plant Studios, and throughout the years, between our staffing and our skill set that we bring into the company, we try to understand as best possible the usage of the facility and the equipment in them. So we work very carefully to design systems, build systems, and provide equipment for real-world usage. We take the client side of the discussion as they look out into the business world to see how they will be successful, and we do our best to support them. Our integration team, which we started in 2009, has been involved with many projects, too many to count. They range from dubbing stages, which started as 5171, and we're in some large quantity of Atmos rooms now, Atmos being the common currency of mixing today. As new technologies come along, that is the latest and the most exciting on the audio side. We do screening rooms, we do color grade rooms, we do editorial, we do storage area networks, we do teleconferencing, all sorts of sound design tools, implementation, anything that is of a Hollywood level and professional level product to produce post-production facilities for film, television, records, streaming, broadcast, etc. Our product base is 200 or 300 product lines. It's not something peculiar to one or two. We don't focus on promoting specific manufacturers' products. When we work with clients, we do our best to understand what their goals are and what it is that they're presenting to their clients, because very often our clients are people providing services to people who are creative. And creative people have the willingness to experiment sometimes, but they also have schedules and budgets to commit to. So there's always a balance of artistic creativity versus the reliability and repeatability and efficiencies that need to be built into a system. The end result is we try to specify the room the first time in a manner that will not only meet their expectations, but exceed it, because we understand it's not hard to anticipate where their business can grow. By building enough headroom into the system, those opportunities are not out of the question for them in the future. They don't have to be precluded because of cost or rebuilds or technology that's installed that's no longer useful. We work with the idea that we're going to be on a design team that includes builders, general contractors. So we work with the builder throughout the project, various points of inspection, milestones that get hit. And then when the room is turned over to us, then the full wiring complement is done. The equipment rooms come together, the integration with all the equipment on the stage in the equipment room. And if there are other facilities within the building, server rooms, other studios, et cetera, all that comes into play. And then we do a commissioning process to get the systems all programmed up and so that they relate to the operator's expectations and understanding, and then there's a level of training that happens. What we contribute is making sure that the facility holds up its end of the bargain. We work very hard to make sure that technology is not a barrier. It is actually something that can be leveraged for success.